Hi everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to change the game win celebration on the chess.com app using your phone. Whether you want to turn off confetti or keep it for a bit of fun, this guide walks you through it, step by step. First, open the chess.com app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on More. From the menu that appears, select Settings to access the app's options. Inside Settings, tap on Board to open board-related setting. Now, tap on Change Game Win Celebration. Finally, you will see two options, None and Confetti. Choose the one you prefer by tapping it, and your preference will be saved automatically. That's it. You've successfully updated your win celebration on the chess.com app. If this video helped, feel free to check out other tutorials on the channel for more chess.com tips.